So just as a follow-up from yesterday's video about the first phase of the gold cube, I had a slight issue with regards to the this particular box. Now this is obviously just a box I pick up in the interior shop. It sits inside the stack of boxes. Now the issue I had was, you can see down here, what I've done is I've taken a box and I cut away the bottom section of it to allow the water to flow. And unfortunately, because it's not quite high enough here, not quite high enough here, what was happening was a lot of the black sand and dirt was getting clogged up. The other problem I had was the stack on top. I had previously drilled 5 holes into it, 5 circular holes, to allow enough water flow. The problem is, because of the size of the box, you see the amount of room here and the amount of room here, what was happening was a lot of dirt, you can see, actually see the sort of dirt there, was falling down, was getting caught there, and wasn't quite getting out. Also, it wasn't getting out fast enough. So, what I've done to remedy that is, just take this out of the way. What I've done to remedy that is, I've gone and made the holes, drilled 3 more holes parallel. There were just 3 circular saw holes here, and I've gone and drilled 3 more holes and cut through them just to give it more room to fall out. So then I was thinking, well, that sluice didn't really catch things properly, and while I was out at the interior shop, I had a look to see what else they had, and lo and behold, I found an option. This is a kitty litter tray. Very simple, very cheap. I think it was about $150. Now, rather than, the problem I had previously, as I say, was the water flow wasn't quite getting out. So what I've done this time was I went and just cut the entire end off it. This way, any kind of gravel and water and everything comes out. But at the same time, I left a little bit of room on the end. You can't quite see it on the camera. A little bit of meat on the end, just enough so the carpet can somewhat bevel at the other side. And the reason for that is I want it to be able to stay in, because obviously if it's got a lot of water flowing to it, it's not going to stay in. Now, what I've done is, as you can see, look, I've got a horizontal angle, and that's not coming out at all. So that'll be great. So I'm leaving the other wooden peg things back here, leaving them in place, because they work fine. They give me probably about 10 degrees of drop, which is sufficient enough, you know. If I want any more, I can just lift it up or just put another block of wood. And then the other one then I have, as I say, I have the bigger holes. So now the stuff comes straight off and straight through the holes. I'll do another video tomorrow when it's daylight, and I'll show you the whole cube assembled. Yeah, hopefully I'll have some gold to show. Bye bye.